Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is part two of this to kind of make this look totally different. So we're gonna nudge this out of the way just so we can look at them side by side later. And I've already made this, so we're gonna nudge it down. So if you didn't watch part one, you need to watch it. And then this is probably all grouped together. I think I saw something jump, so I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna go to group and no, it's not grouped together. So this time we're going to do a little bit different. We're going to take the interactive fill tool and we're going to go left to right. But we're going to use red so we can take the interactive fill tool back and go red and red on the end and then bring in a white to like the middle. Now, once we have, and you could play with the adjustment and the angle. Now we're going to take the attribute eyedropper tool and take a sample of that and just go down the hill. So if you didn't watch part one, you'll be a little bit confused. And I think we need one more up here, but we'll wait because it's kind of hard to tell. Now, deselect that and take that one. Get the interactive fill tool, go from there to there. We're going to go with red. We're going to go with red, but we're going to take white to the middle. And we could play around with that, do it like that, but we're not going to on this particular one. Attribute eyedropper tool, take a sample, fill in the other ones. And I think we need one right there. And then this one should be the other one. So just click off of it, get the attribute eyedropper again and take that one and put it there. There we go. Now Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, and put it in the center and rotate it to 40 degrees. Or was it 20? 20 degrees. And I would change the angle and see, because the angle is changing as we went down the hill. As you can see, the white, and I think I made a mistake right there, but well, it's just because it's so blunt that the angle. And let's see if we can group or ungroup and get the interactive filter. There's going to be so many things going on, we're not going to do it. But see, you could change a little bit of this coloration and get them not to be, maybe you can go like that. You could end it. And this would be a good clone device, so you could actually see what's going on. Because some of these look good, but then when it gets down here in the attribute, like right here, that doesn't look good. And if you did that when you first started, you'd be a little bit better off. But you have a weave pattern. So here is mine, and here's, if I'm still understanding him, here's his. His is, it all depends on what he is a laser graver, but he's also a printer, and maybe he needs that definition between them. And like, I didn't go as far in the center. I don't know why I can't grab that. Side by side. Yeah, I'm going to have to give it to him. His might look better, or his idea. I'm hoping I'm on the right track. Yeah, this, I don't know. It's part one of me likes, whenever you have something selected, you need to get to the smart fill. And we could always fill that in with a red and kind of change it, the whole look of it. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.